Will you learn something new about the Royal Air Force in 60 seconds? Let's find out. Here in Romania, the RAF is supporting NATO Enhanced Air Policing on Operation Biloxi for the next 4 months. Personnel from 121 Expeditionary Air Wing and RAF Typhoon jets are reinforcing NATO's collective defence posture on its most eastern border. Deploying on ops improves our agility, integration and readiness to fly, fight and win. Reservists come in all shapes and sizes. They can even join the RAF Police. Fully trained in RAF Police capabilities, RAF Police Reservists bring specialist skills, experience and a different way of thinking that complements our regular teams. As part of the RAF Police Force, the RAF Police have a global responsibility for providing security of our assets, people and information. RAF Police provide a unique blend of law enforcement, counterintelligence and protective security. That's all for now. See you next time.